Hello friends, this is Rohit Gupta. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Rohankit. Today in this video I will be discussing about student success plan because mostly the students are basically confused what to study, what not to study, what to do and what not to do. So basically this video is for every student who are studying at present and they have to be guided so that they can achieve success in their life, they can achieve success in their studies. But before starting with this video, I want to request people who haven't subscribed for my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that in future you can get the notifications for my upcoming videos. And if you like this video, do share with each and every student and each and every children whom you are in touch with. Now first step towards success for student success plan is prioritization. You should give priority, first preference to your academics only, nothing else. No extracurricular activity, no other activities. First give your first preference to your studies, academics, then later on if you have a time, then you can spend your time in activities, extracurricular activities, sports, whatever interest you are having. It will benefit you in the long run. Now second step is punctuality. Punctuality is one of the most important quality you need to adopt right into your character. Plan each and every activities beforehand so that in later stages it will not create a problem for you because you have planned previously, and according to your planning only you have to further proceed for each and every activities you have planned accordingly. Then only you will achieve success, you will achieve growth in your life. Third most important for the students is no cheating. Remember, good grades are important, but gaining knowledge is more important than cheating. Try to acquire knowledge in a trustworthy way. Never cheat in your life because it will give you good grades, but you will not gain the knowledge which is required for you in your future. Try to praise your efforts, try to praise your process of hard working rather than going for cheating, rather than refraining yourself from getting knowledge. The fourth most important is concentration. It is alright to take the break of short duration between your studies, but don't let these gaps break your tempo, your speed of studying the subject, because it will again force you to regenerate the energy for concentration. So take small gaps between the studies, but not too much long gap, because again you have to energize and motivate yourself for continuous studies. Success plan is never compare yourself with anyone. Comparisons will demotivate you. If others compare you with some other person, never take the heed what they are saying, never care about what they are saying. Try to ignore those people who are comparing you with another student or another person, because indirectly they are demoralizing you that you are nothing, you cannot do anything. But you have to prove yourself, you have to prove them wrong, that you are capable of whatever you want to do in your life. So never take the heed what they are saying, never care about the person who are comparing you with anybody else. Every student is different. The traits, the characters the students are having, they are different from every other students. So never compare one student with another student, because it will demoralize him and he will not be able to perform in a better way in future. So students, it's a request, if any person is comparing you with any other student, a bright student or low level student, never take the heed what they are saying. They are simply demoralizing you, they are simply demotivating you that you cannot do a certain activity. The last student success plan is improvement in progression. What does it mean? Improvement in progression means improving in life by little is okay. You are at a steady pace of development, you are at a steady pace of growth and success, and you can carry out your work in a relaxed manner because you are improving slowly, day by day. There is not a drastic change that you have improved a lot in a single day and then there is a downfall. No, try to improve slowly, step by step in a relaxed manner. You will also be relaxed, you will not get nervous, you will not be disappointed. There is improvement in progression. Try to improve little bit on daily basis. Try to beat your targets on daily basis. So friends, these were few success plan for you, so that you can achieve success in life, you can achieve success in studies. If you like this video, do give me feedback in the comment section how you like this video. Share this video with each and every friend, in each and every student you know, in your Facebook and WhatsApp group. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon if you like this video. Till then, have a nice day. Good day.